Alright, so I have a broken drawer, and I went on YouTube, and all the videos on how to fix a particle board drawer isn't that good. So I'm going to show you real quick. Right here I got a drawer, and the particle board is broken. You can see it's glued together and it's broken. Okay? So obviously you put glue in there, you pull on it, it's going to break again. So I'll show you real quick. First of all, you need to take the front piece off of the drawer piece. You got 2 screws holding this handle. Well, I figure I got to time this because YouTube's got a time limit. 2 screws holding the handle, 4 screws holding this piece to that piece. So we're just going to take these off real quick. Just put this to the side. Okay, step 2 is you have 2 rails. You're going to have to take those off. It's just 6 screws. Try to get this done in 10 minutes. It's also good to have a ball so you don't lose screws. Take your rails, put them to the side. Alright, take the drawer, take this broken piece, you want to line it up so it's flush, and once it's flush with the top, right there, you're going to get, you don't need a speed square, but it helps. I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to make a little line so I know where the center hole needs to be when I do drill. So I'm going to do 4 marks. And one there. And one there. Alright, so we know our center line. So basically what I'm going to do here is I got 4 screws here, and I'm going to put 1 screw in each. And you're going to know where you put your screws, because you see this isn't broken here or here, and we got a good depth of wood here all the way through and here, so that's where the screws need to go. So if you know about particle board, you know that just taking a screw and drilling it in there is just going to make it worse. So I got my screw here, and I'm going to get the drill bit I need. And you know what drill bit to use, because if you look at a screw, you got your lines like that, and then you got the middle of the screw. So you basically what you want is you want your drill bit to be the same diameter as the shaft of the screw. That way you're not tearing up the wood to put the screw in, but I don't remember what they're called, but those will actually stick in the wood and hold it together. Okay? So this is a drill bit I need. You don't have to do this, but I like to get it on. Okay. Alright, so here we go. We're just going to drill. Find the center right there. We're just going to drill straight down. Do another one here. Before you drill, you want to make sure that you push this flush so that when you put your that's 2. Get the other side. Same thing. Right. So before we put the screws in, we get some glue. some wood glue, and we're just gonna push this up this way. Just gonna throw some glue in there. It can be a little messy because we're gonna take a towel. We're gonna clean all that up. Just want to make sure you got glue everywhere. As long as you do it quick enough, then you'll be able to clean it up. So, I'm going to get that all over the place right there. All you need is a wet towel. It'll clean it up real nice. Get a towel. Alright, so all you do, put it on there. Well, you can put a little bit of glue on this piece as well. Just get it on there. And like I said, you can be messy if you're quick. If the glue starts drying, then you won't be able to clean it up and make it look pretty. Alright. That's done. I'm going to put this on here. Make sure that's nice in there, nice and good. Okay. Alright. Now all we have to do is put the screws in. There. You don't want to go crazy here because this is particle board. Okay. Get another screw. Okay. If you rear down on that real hard, it's going to break. I promise you. Get the other side. Like that. Get this side here. All right. But you know what? I just realized something. We're going to have to recess this one a little bit because the rail goes there. So. You don't want to go a lot because it's not that thick. Just recess that just a little bit. And put that in there. There you go. And we'll do the same thing to the other side. Oh, wrong one. Again, just going to recess it just a little bit, just enough to get that screw in there. That. Get a rag, get any rag, just get it wet. And all this extra glue here, we're going to get that nice and cleaned up. Alright, get this side, get it nice and clean. the inside. Good way to do that is just take your finger, wrap your rag around it, go straight up with it, and get it all the way to the corner. And there you go. It's fixed. So that was 17 seconds to go, and under 10 minutes you can fix your drawer. Just gotta let that dry. Give it a day. Next day you can put the front of the drawer on it, and you're good to go. Thank you.